Hello, I sent you a special gift in the mail. Number one, if you're a customer or a consultant team member of mine, then you received a lookbook in the mail, and don't sleep on the special sample that's inside the front cover of our new Barrier Restore. I'm going to share with you a few fun facts about that. Share with you, if you're a consultant, you received a special sample of this in the mail from me. And I'm going to also share a 5-minute fast and easy look that's perfect for this time of year when you're running around Christmas shopping, and a lipstick hack that is a way to take any lip color and make it work for fall and winter 2025-26. So let's start with the Barrier Restore that's on the inside cover of this lookbook. And what's fun is it shares with you all about the product inside as well. This Barrier Restore, I demoed it at my Christmas open house, and women were shocked when they just literally rubbed it in the back of their hand. It's really supposed to be for your face, but I let them sample it on the back of their hand, and they were shocked when they compared the difference. So what's fun about this product is that it's comprised of ingredients that mimic your skin's natural moisture barrier. 1 part fatty acid, 1 part ceramides, and 3 part cholesterol. I mean, what? Cholesterol? Yes, your skin, your brain, our bodies need cholesterol just in the right places and in the right ways, right? So this is super fun, a way to help your skin heal during this time of year where our skin can get super dried out, and our skin barrier, it can become like a mesh or like a net rather than a brick wall. If it's more dry, more sensitive, more easily to get damaged easier. So that's why we want a strong skin barrier, plus our wounds heal better. So anyway, a great product for those of you who would love stronger skin. Next, this little fun sample that I sent to all of my team members in the mail in a special little envelope. This is our brand new limited edition, ladies, limited edition lavender and coconut hand cream and body spray, 12 and 18. So these are super economical, makes great gifts, stocking stuffers. I also have some little charms coming in the mail that I'm gonna attach onto these that make like the perfect way to clip it onto your purse. So anyway, just saying, stay tuned for those. But these are really great. I wanted to highlight these. These are not in the lookbook, but these are limited edition, available while supplies last. Consultants, you have a sample of this. Make sure to enjoy it and pretend you're at the beach, because that's what it feels like when you're wearing it. Okay, next, for a brand new product, Mary Kay's lash lengthening called Great Heights mascara in waterproof formula. You may be a fan of this mascara that launched a few months ago in our regular water resistant formula. For those of you who need a waterproof formula, this is for you. I'm going to show it to you after I do the fast and easy eye makeup look, okay? Show you on one eye what the brush looks like and how it performs. So next, let's talk about our brand new shimmer eyeshadow sticks. Yes, we have 5 fantastic colors. I actually striped them on the inner corner or inside of my arm. Radiant Bronze, Golden Sunrise, Copper Nova, Pink Prism, and Midnight Galaxy. I'm super proud of myself that I remember those names because they're brand new. I'm going to show you real quick 2 of them on one eye and the difference that it makes fast and easy. So first, I'm going to take the Radiant Bronze. You just twist it up, and you've seen eyeshadow sticks like this all over online and in other brands. What I love about Mary Kay's is they're super creamy. They glide right on. You can blend them right away. When you put them on, you want to blend them right away, because when they dry, they're waterproof. You can use them as eyeshadow, eyeliner. You can use them on your lips. I mean, literally so many applications. So first of all, I'm going to take this Radiant Bronze, come here, and real quick, I've got my brush. We want to blend it real quick while it is not dried yet, because once it dries, it's waterproof and it stays in place. So you can see I'm just blending it like that, and there we go. Boom, one and done. Now I did have hazelnut eyeshadow on to begin with. You can see I have it on this eye. Okay, next we're going to take the Golden Sunrise on the inner corner right here and pull it over. And just like that, that could literally be your eye look for the day. I feel like I need to bring that darkness up a little bit higher. So, but yeah, pretty good. Okay, next we're gonna do mascara. Now this is the waterproof formula that I just told you about. I have to curl my eyelashes, and can I tell you that nothing curls lashes or keeps the curl in eyelashes like waterproof mascara. So I'm curling it twice, once at the base and once halfway up. I'm going to take my new Great Heights mascara in the waterproof formula. I like to coat the top of my lashes and then come up underneath. What I love about this formula, it's also featured in the lookbook. And if I have my stats right, 43% longer after one coat and up to 75% longer with 2 coats. So there's that one coat. You can see that. Did I get some on my eyelid? I did. What I like about waterproof mascara is if you get any on your eyelid, get it right away and it will come off. Don't let it dry. Where our other mascaras, you let it dry first and then clean it up. I know, keep track, right? Now I'm gonna take a little bit on the lower lash and try not to poke myself in the eye, and then come back up and do my second coat on my upper lashes. So this is the black waterproof Great Heights mascara. What do you think? I just wanted to give you a side-by-side comparison. Yes, longer lashes. Thank you so much. Finally, I'm going to share a special lipstick hack. I gave you a little sneak peek here, but check this out. This is Poetic Pink lipstick. It's in our Supreme Hydrating Lipstick, one of my favorite formulas that we have in our lipstick portfolio. And now I'm wearing pink today, right? So you might not always use a pink lip color in the middle of winter, right? It's not, and get it all over your teeth. But like I need a pink to go with this pink, right? So I'm gonna put that on, and not only am I gonna use it for my lips, but check this out. Fast cheek look. You know, cream cheek color is super in style right now. I put it on and I use these 2 fingers to just blend on the apples of my cheeks and back and up. Notice I didn't put it way down here. I put it kind of here, and we want to go up with it because we don't want it too much right here, right? We want it here and up high like this. What do you think? Nice and fun and glowy, right? Fun. And then the lipstick hack is to take Beach Bronze Lip Gloss. Check this out. And top it on top of my pink. Here's the before and the after. Notice how it just mutes it a little bit, right? Can take any lip color to fall by pairing it with a lip gloss. And if you really want to take it up a notch, pair it with like our Auburn Nude lip liner. And that can really, really amp up the fall vibes. I hope this was fun and helpful. Make it a great day, and holler if you need my help with anything. You know I'm here as your Pink Product Pro.